Welcome to the Skilled MBA Strategy Case Study Series, where we explore how businesses confront uncertainty and make bold choices in the face of economic disruption. Today's case focuses on Unifoam, a key player in Pakistan's polyurethane foam industry, and the strategic crossroads it faced in mid-2019. On one hand, the ambitious China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC, promised new industrial momentum. On the other, macroeconomic realities struck hard. Policy changes and currency devaluation drove a 40% spike in working capital costs. Leadership stood at a turning point. Should Unifoam consolidate its operations, securing profitability in a mature, competitive industry? Or should it pursue aggressive expansion, betting on CPEC-fueled demand despite the risks of cash flow strain and regulatory uncertainty? This case captures the tension between pragmatism and ambition and invites us to examine how external shocks test internal vision. What role should financial resilience play in growth strategy? How do companies weigh market maturity against future opportunity? Unifoam's story is a study in risk appetite, timing, and strategic clarity when the rules of the game are changing fast. In mid-2019, Unifoam, a prominent foam manufacturer, confronted strategic challenges post-expansion. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor ambitions clashed with policy changes, currency devaluation, and a 40% rise in working capital costs. Leadership was split between consolidating gains and pursuing aggressive growth in a mature industry. Analyze how mega-environmental factors like policy shifts and currency devaluation influence strategic decisions. Evaluate strategic tensions between consolidation and growth in mature industries. Understand governance challenges in family-owned businesses. Recommend managerial actions to navigate economic uncertainty effectively. In strategic management, understanding the target audience is crucial. Bachelor of Business Administration and Master of Business Administration students, along with early-stage strategy learners, benefit from exploring emerging market business cases. Family business leaders and small and medium-sized enterprise founders face unique challenges in uncertain environments, while strategy enthusiasts delve into mature industry dynamics. This knowledge aids in navigating strategic crossroads effectively. Unifoam faced strategic challenges due to heavy reliance on Chinese imports during global instability. New monetary policies reshaped working capital dynamics, while internal disagreements on strategic priorities further complicated matters. The traditional family business structure hindered decision-making in this volatile economic environment, making it difficult to adapt swiftly to external pressures. Global trade tensions, particularly disruptions in the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, are impacting supply chains. The volatility of the Pakistani rupee is significantly increasing import costs. Additionally, rising borrowing rates have pushed working capital costs up by 40%, creating a challenging financial landscape for businesses. Foam manufacturing is a mature industry characterized by established players and standardized products. Growth hinges on capturing market share rather than expansion, emphasizing strategic timing. Key characteristics include limited differentiation potential, high fixed costs, and cyclical demand patterns, all of which require careful navigation to maintain competitiveness. Family businesses face unique complexities. Ownership structures often involve multiple family stakeholders with differing risk appetites, leading to governance challenges where emotional decisions may conflict with business logic. Generational perspectives add another layer, balancing long-term legacy with short-term performance pressures. Strategic alignment is crucial to maintain family harmony while meeting business requirements. Exploring strategic options, a growth strategy involves leveraging recent expansion investments to capture market share amid competitor uncertainty, though it risks increased market volatility exposure. Alternatively, a consolidation strategy emphasizes cash preservation and reduced leverage to navigate economic downturns, risking missed growth opportunities. Each approach requires careful consideration of market conditions and family business dynamics. Analytical frameworks are crucial for strategic planning. Pestle analysis evaluates external factors like political and economic influences. SWOT assessment contrasts internal strengths with external opportunities. Understanding the business life cycle helps identify innovation needs. Family governance ensures decision-making aligns with stakeholder interests. These tools guide strategic decisions, balancing growth and consolidation strategies effectively. Unifoam must adapt to macroeconomic shifts by strategically timing investments, optimizing resource allocation, and implementing robust risk management. Prioritize agility in decision-making to maintain competitive positioning. Evaluate market trends and adjust strategies to leverage opportunities while mitigating potential threats. Strategic decision-making involves navigating investment timing, family dynamics, and capacity decisions. Should Unifoam pursue aggressive growth or consolidate during uncertainty? Family relationships can complicate strategic execution, requiring careful stakeholder alignment. In mature industries, investment choices are guided by robust analytical frameworks, ensuring decisions align with long-term goals and market conditions. Discomfort often signals the need for transformation, guiding strategic clarity through internal and external challenges. Traditional industries can adopt bold strategies with the right analytical frameworks and governance. Family businesses must align stakeholders and manage emotional dynamics to ensure effective strategic execution. External analysis is crucial in emerging markets, where macro-environmental factors shape strategic options. In mature industries, timing is key as strategic windows open and close swiftly, necessitating robust analytical frameworks. Family governance must balance emotional dynamics with business logic through structured processes. Embracing uncertainty fosters strategic resilience, requiring agility and flexibility. Thank you for exploring this high-stakes strategic decision with Skilled MBA, Journey to Success with Pride. We hope Unifoam's case sharpens your understanding of how external forces shape internal strategy and why the toughest decisions often define the future. Connect with us. Mobile +91 87553-00795. Email support@skilledmba.com. Website https://skilledmba.com.